Hi, my name is Alisha Shahadila binti Azhar and my ID student 0203610972. Today, I'm gonna talk about cleaning agent. Let's go! In this topic, we're gonna talk about introduction, what is soap and what is detergent. Also, we're gonna talk about saponification, sulfonic acid. Soap and detergent react as a cleansing agent, and also we're gonna talk about cleansing action between soap and detergent. Introduction for cleaning agents. Cleaning agents divide by two, which is soap and detergent. What is soap? Soap is a substance used with water for washing and cleaning, made of a compound of natural oil or fats with sodium hydroxide or strong alkali. What is detergent? Detergent is the water-soluble cleansing agent which combine with impurities and dirts to make them more soluble and differ from soap in forming a scum with a salt in hot water. What is saponification? Saponification is preparation of soap.
Saponification. Saponification is the process of preparation of soap. Soap are prepared by boiling a mixture of fats or oil with a concentrated alkali solution, which is sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide. Fat molecules are broken down by the alkali to produce fatty acid and glycerol. Fatty acids are neutralized by the alkali to form sodium salt, which are known as soap.
As we can see, saponification is the reaction between triglyceride, which is palm oil or natural ester, react with 3-sodium hydroxide to produce glycerol and 3 soap. Sulfonic acid. Did you guys know sulfonic acid can produce detergent? Detergent are sodium salt of sulfonic acid. In the first picture is long chain alkene. We can see that alkyne benzene sulfonic acid react with sodium hydroxide solution and undergoes neutralization to produce sodium alkyne benzene sulfonate plus water. The neutralizations undergoes with presence of sodium hydroxide. In second picture, we can see that long chain alcohol reaction. We know that long chain alcohol reaction react with concentrated sulfuric acid and undergoes sulfonation, produce alkyne sulfonic acid plus water. We know that sulfonations react in presence with sulfuric acid. Soap and detergent act as cleansing agents. The first one, soap and detergents, is dissolved in water to produce soap ion and detergent ions respectively. Second one, soap and detergent reduce the surface tensions of the water and allow water to the wet surface of clothes. Number 3, soap ions and detergent ions have hydrophobic part, which is highly soluble in organic materials. What is hydrophobic? Hydrophobic is substance that's soluble in oil. Lastly, soap ions and detergent ions have hydrophilic parts, which is highly soluble in water. What is hydrophilic? Hydrophilic is soluble in water. Soap and detergent ions act as cleansing agent, which is CH3CH216COONa, which is soap molecule, produce CH3CH216COO- soap ion plus Na plus sodium ion. Lastly, we're gonna talk about cleansing action between soap and detergent. First, cleansing action of soap and detergents. Soap is dissolved in water to form sodium ions and soap ions. The hydrophobic part of soap ions is dissolved in grease. What is grease? Grease is a soap emulsified with mineral or vegetable oil. Next one is the hydrophilic parts of the soap ions dissolved in water. As we can see, hydrophobic tail and hydrophilic head. Hydrophobic is a substance that's soluble in oil, and hydrophilic is a substance that's soluble in water. Next, soap reduces the surface tensions of water. This action allows water to wet the surface of clothes. After the agitation helps to pull the grease free and also break the grease into the small droplets. Next, the negative charge on the surface of the small droplets of grease repel to each other and prevent them from regrouping. Emulsion solution is formed. Soap acts as an emulsifying agent. Emulsifying agents are substances that form a film around the dispersed globes or lower the interfacial tension in an emulsion. Other than that, the bubble form float the greasy droplets in the water. The stain in the cloth can be removed by rinsing the cloth with clean water. Now, we're gonna do some demonstrations of cleansing action of soap and detergent. This is some material. We got towel, water, and soap. First, put the water inside the towel. Put some soap. And then stir. In this action, we can see that hydrophobic part dissolved in the grease and hydrophilic part dissolved in water. Soap reduces the surface tensions of the water. The action allows the water wet the surface of the clothes. The stain can be removed by rinsing the clothes with the clean water. That's all from me.